I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you round, I want you round.
Hey Lovebugs, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, first things first, if you are a first-time visitor here to the congregation, hello, my name is Mary and welcome to my channel. And to my oldie but goodie Lovebugs, welcome back, welcome back. So as you can see, we are going back to the basics in today's video with a hair tutorial. So this is how I do my twist outs, and I am using the Doux Mousse texture foam as my styling product. So as you can see here, I am sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. I had just washed my hair, so I'm just sectioning it so I can style it the way I want to. It's easier for me to do it when I have it in 4 sections because, as you can see, my hair is thick. So if I don't section it, it's gonna be a disaster. So once I finally have my hair sectioned, because my hair has now become fully dry from after washing it, I started doing other things. I'm just gonna take my water bottle and just get it wet again. So this way the products can really do what they have to do in my hair. And then I'm just making sure that all the water is worked all throughout my hair, because if it's not, yeah, we might as well just throw the whole hairstyle away. It's gonna be a dub. So now that my hair is now wet, I'm going to take my Texture ID styling cream. I'm actually using this as a leave-in because y'all know my go-to, the Mael Organics pomegranate honey leave-in. I didn't put that in because I just didn't want too many products in my hair. And the Texture ID styling cream, you can actually use it as a leave-in. Like, that stuff is just so, oh, it's so amazing. So yeah, I'm just putting that in my hair as like my base and my leave-in. I'm just working that in, making sure that it gets on every strand of my hair. And then I'm going to take my shampoo brush, aka my faux dimming brush, because I don't know where the heck my actual dimming brush is, both of them. And I'm just gonna use that to, comb out any tangles that I may have, because the key to good twist outs is making sure that you have no tangles and it is smooth. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to take that section, subsection it into another section, and then I'm going to start styling my hair. I'm just gonna comb through one more time just to make sure that it is nice and smooth. And then once I am done with that, I'm going to take the texture foam. I take about 2 to 3 pumps and I put that on my hair and work that in. And y'all already know I'm going to get my roots, because one thing we don't do over here on this channel is puffy roots. I don't subscribe to that. That's not my ministry. Immediately no. I'm not about that lifestyle. So yeah, make sure that you work it in and get your roots. And then from there, I'm going to section that section into 2. And then I'm going to take the first section and start twisting my hair. So I'm just going to twist until I can't twist anymore. And I like to brush on my way down because sometimes it gets a little tangled and I don't want knots. So I'll just smooth that out and then I'll just keep twisting until I get to the very end. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the second twist. And I'm basically just going to repeat this entire process all throughout my head until I am done. So the key to this is just working in small sections so that you can get a really good twist out. Now, as you can see with some twists, I do have to put perm rods on the end because my hair is just ghetto like that. But you know, it is what it is. We just want it all to look uniform because don't nobody want curls and then some year ends have straight pieces. It's not cute. So here I am, I'm on the last piece. As you can see, I'm gonna have to put a perm rod because, you know, this is my problematic side and it's very ghetto. I hate that for me, but yeah, just finishing up my head with the last perm rod. Thank you, Jesus. And then like I just will retighten some perm rods where I feel that it might be like too loose on the end. And then once I'm done with that, I will take my Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil and I will oil my scalp with that. I wait until the end to do this. Depending on the style, or not even the style, depending on the product that I use, I will use either oil in the beginning or the end. With this product, it says do not use oil while you're using it. So I waited until the end. And now that I'm done, I'm going to put my bonnet on and go to sleep and just let this kind of dry overnight. And wake up in the morning and see what happens. So it is the next day. I've gotten ready for work. I've done my makeup, you know, got to look cute because I actually had a Zoom call that I had to be on. So I wasn't trying to look crusty and dusty. So now I'm taking the perm rods out so that I can take out the twist. And I start from the back and I work my way up to the front. And then I will take a little bit of either Jamaican black castor oil or pretty much any oil I have. I forgot what oil that is. I think it's a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil and some other oil. But I'll take a little bit and I'll just rub that over the twist. And then whatever is left over on my hands, I kind of use that to help me take the twist out. And then I will separate the twist as I go. When I feel that my hands are getting dry, I will add a little bit more oil to put on the twist. You don't want to overdo it with the oil because then it gets to looking a hot ghetto mess. And then remember, I also have oil still on my scalp from the night before. Like, it's not like it's been days. It hasn't even been a full 24 hours. So you just don't want to overdo it with the oil. A little goes a long way. So yeah, I'm just here just unraveling the twist and fluffing them out and separating the curls. And I'm just going to repeat this process until I get every twist out and I separate the curls to how I want them. So this is the last bit of curls. I'm just finishing like the last, I think 4 that I have. And then once I am done with this, then I can style it to how I want it to be as far as shape and volume. So now that they're all out, I'm gonna take my pick and I'm just gonna pick the roots so I can give it volume and fluff it to how I want. And then I'll just take my hands and kind of play around with it gently so that I don't, you know, overwork the curl and it becomes frizzy, because nobody wants frizzy curls on day 1. Like, we trying to get this to last for at least 3 to 4 days. So yeah. that is the finished look. And now I'm putting my glasses on so I can actually see. And pow, we have a fresh twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know how you feel about it down below in the comments. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and most importantly, sis, are you subscribed? Be sure to click the red subscribe button down below until it turns gray and it says that you are subscribed. And until the next time, mwah, later, love bugs. Bye.
I wanna kiss you, yeah,